It's time for another episode of the Verb of the Day with simple and easy Arabic.
Finish. Finish as an imperative masculine. خلص. خلص.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا بخلص. أنت بتخلص. أنتي بتخلصي. أنتو بتخلصوا. نحنا منخلص. هو بيخلص. هي بتخلص. هنن بيخلصوا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا خلصت. أنت خلصت. أنتي خلصتي. أنتو خلصتوا. نحنا خلصنا. هو خلص. هي خلصت. هنن خلصوا.
Let's put them in sentences. When do you finish work?
إمتى بتخلص شغل؟
We finish the training now.
نحن خلصنا التدريب هلأ.
When you finish breakfast, speak with me.
بس تخلص فطور احكي معي.
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now. Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!